read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my sweet students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today's lesson is about uppercase and lowercase letter t. We will learn how to write it, how to pronounce its sound, and vocabulary words. First of all, I will teach you its formation. Are you ready? So let's start. Start from the first line, come straight down. Make sleeping line, it will make capital T. It will make capital T. Start from the dot, not from the first line. Start from the dot, not from the first line. Come straight down, turn the loop, make a cut. Make sleeping line, it will make lowercase letter t, small t, capital T, small t. The sound of T is t, t, t. The sound of T is t, t, t. Tiger, t, t, t. Tie, t, t, t. Tent, t, t, t. Turtle, t, t, t. Teddy bear, teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, go round and round. Teddy bear, touch the ground. T, the sound of T is T. Capital T, small t, sound of T is T, 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 T. Teamwork. Work together to solve problem. Yes. What is a teamwork? Work together to solve problem. It's story time. Are you ready for story? Okay. A turtle wore a tie. Oh my God. How funny. A turtle wore a tie. Its friend Teddy bear admire his look. Together they enjoy a lovely picnic inside the tent. They are eating a lot of things. They are enjoying together. Look, wow. I hope so. You all enjoyed a lot today. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.